Hello, welcome back to my channel. And obviously I'm outdoor over here and we have such a beautiful evening. And I'm very tempted to conclude the series of learning marketing the alphabetical way. And today alphabets are, well, it's only two left, that is Y and Z. Now, Y stands for youth marketing. That means it's the strategy, marketing strategy, of course, where the target audience is the younger generation, the youth. So, obviously, the design, the objective, the layout, the product, all the services, all are keeping into mind the preference of the youth. Like I can give some example, like some website like Myntra, Shein India, all these are having their mindset about the younger generation. Their preferred customers must be the younger generation. So whatever the strategy they are making for marketing, that is called the youth marketing. And the last but not the least is Z or the Z. Z stands for ZMOT, that is zero moment of truth. And this term is actually coined by Google itself because it refers to a research stage where the consumer actually learning about any product or any kind of service through reviews, or you can say watching the tutorials, review videos, or blog or vlog, whatever is possible, and before contacting the company or before making up the decisions about purchasing that particular product or services. That stage, that research stage, is referred as the ZMOT, and that's for the conclusion of the series learning marketing alphabetical way. But obviously it is not the end. There are huge area remain, so be with me, and till then keep learning.